Welcome to the AI Tutor Training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to create a course in AI Tutor. Go to left menu and click on Domain. It will redirect you to Domain Add page. Now click on Add Domain option. Now add all required details like subdomain name, description, logo, favicon. Click on Save and your domain is created. Now go to left menu and click on Course Category. Now click on Add New Category. Now fill all required details like course domain, category title, parent, icon picker, category thumbnail. Click on Submit and your course category will be added. You can also add subcategory to your course. You just need to enter category title, parent category, icon picker, category thumbnail. And your subcategory will be added. Now go to Course Manager. Click on Add New Course. Fill your basic details like domain site, course title, etc. You can use AI Content Finder to create awesome AI-powered contents for your course. Add info for your course like course frequently asked questions, requirements, outcomes. Add pricing details for your course like course price, discount, or you can create a free course. Add media to your course. You can add course overview provider like YouTube, Vimeo, or HTML5. Add your course overview URL. Add course thumbnail. You can also add SEO-related details of your course like meta keywords, meta description. Click on Submit and your course is ready. Thanks for watching the video.